Hey everybody, Mark from Tent Table. Want to bring you in for a quick video to show how to use our grommet repair kits. Grommet repair kits, you can use them to replace a grommet on pole tent top, vinyl tarp. You could probably even use it on one of your PE tarps. But basically, one of the things that might happen over time is you might have one of your grommets pop out for either a side pole or a center pole on one of your weekender or premium tents from Tent Table. So we have two different size kits. One is going to be a smaller grommet for your side poles. One is going to be a little bit larger grommet for your center poles, okay? And depending on what the popped out area looks like, you may end up having to start with a square piece of vinyl that you're going to actually glue into place once you've put a grommet into the vinyl. Sometimes the grommet might pop out very clean of your old tent, and then you can just use the kit as it is, okay, by inserting the grommet in the existing hole. Now, I'm going to start here with a piece of vinyl. I've actually taken the toothed area, the smaller part of the grommet, okay? I've placed it on there. I have basically used a pen and I've traced the hole that I'm going to need to cut. So I'm going to use a small snap knife or utility knife, okay? You see I'm using a little bit of cardboard so I'm not cutting through to the surface that's down below. And then I'm just going to, carefully cut out that circle. You want to keep it as round as possible, okay? Just because you're going to get a better bite from the grommet. And I should be almost free. I'm going to make sure that my base is fitting through there, which it is. Then I'm going to take the grommet tool. I'm going to place this down. I'm going to put the fabric over top here. I'm then going to place this right here. And then I'm just going to take a hammer and a couple hits. And I now have a nice new grommet that I can glue right into place on the tent. Now, like I said, if the hole is not enlarged, you really don't need to use this secondary piece of vinyl, because if you look, there is a much wider area where the teeth are. But you can see it's a quick, easy way to get a tent back up and running. And again, we have them basically for our tent sizes that we're using, but you're going to find that pretty much they're going to be standard in a lot of pole tents across the board. So very easy, very quick, and it's a great tool to have in both sizes if you have several of our pole tents, because over time it's common to have grommets pop out as the tent's been set up many times. So give your rep a call and get one today.